Today's medical-centric topic is what to do if you get a burn on your tattoo. Burning a tattoo area can be particularly concerning due to the potential impact on the design and the risk of infection. Whether it's a minor sunburn or a more severe burn, taking the right steps immediately is crucial to protect your skin and the tattoo. Here's what you need to know about managing burns on tattoos and ensuring proper healing. 1. Types of burns on tattoos. Sunburn. Prolonged sun exposure can cause redness and peeling on a tattoo, especially if it's new. Thermal burns. Caused by direct contact with heat sources like hot surfaces, boiling water, or flames. Chemical burns. Result from exposure to harsh chemicals that irritate or damage the skin. 2. Immediate steps to take after a burn. Cool the burn. Run cool, not cold, water over the affected area for 10 to 20 minutes to reduce heat and soothe the skin. Avoid ice. Applying ice directly can worsen the burn and damage the skin further. Clean gently. Wash the area with mild soap and lukewarm water to prevent infection. Avoid scrubbing. Apply a sterile dressing. Cover the burn with a non-stick, sterile bandage to protect it from dirt and bacteria. 3. How burns affect tattoos. Disruption of ink. Severe burns can cause the ink to fade, blur, or peel away with the damaged skin. Healing challenges. Burns may extend the healing process and increase the risk of scarring, which can distort the tattoo design. 4. Treatment for minor burns. Use aloe vera gel. Apply aloe vera to soothe the burn and keep the skin hydrated. Over-the-counter ointments. Use antibiotic creams like Neosporin to prevent infection. Stay moisturized. Keep the area hydrated with a fragrance-free lotion to support healing. 5. When to seek medical attention. Signs of infection. Pus, increased redness, swelling, or fever may indicate an infection requiring professional care. Severe burns. Second or third degree burns with blistering or exposed tissue need immediate medical treatment. Tattoo damage. Consult your tattoo artist for advice on restoring the tattoo after the burn has healed. 6. Tips for preventing burns on tattoos. Protect from the sun. Apply sunscreen, SPF 30 or higher, to tattoos, especially if they are fresh. Avoid hot surfaces. Be cautious around open flames, hot tools, and boiling liquids. Be mindful of chemicals. Avoid exposing your tattoo to harsh cleaning agents or chemical irritants.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.